Government PG College Sector 1 Panchkula. On behalf of Government PG College Sector 1 Panchkula, Haryana and Internal Quality Assurance Cell, I extend a warm welcome to all the participants to this one-day national online seminar on the topic Intellectual Property Rights and Ethical Issues. Friends, it is a matter of great pride and pleasure for us that academicians and scholars from all over India have joined us today on this platform to participate and ruminate over an issue of utmost importance in this age of great technological marvels and unimaginable innovations and achievements. Most of us are still unaware of the fact that the creations of our minds are our property, and we have all the rights over our ideas, thoughts, and artistic works. So, to jolt us out of our slumber and remove our ignorance, we have two scholars and advisors who will throw light on the different aspects related to intellectual property. We have with us a scientist, Dr. Rahul Taneja, who is from Department of Science and Technology, Panchkula, and who has an expertise in intellectual property rights. Another one is academician and scholar and researcher, Professor Pankaj Sharma from Department of English, CDLU Sirsa. Both of these who will look into the ethical side of IPR. On behalf of the entire college fraternity, I heartily welcome both the panelists. And presiding over the session is our worthy principal and chairperson IQAC, Dr. Archana Mishra, whose benign presence always proves highly motivating and encouraging to us. Friends, Dr. Mishra is a thorough workaholic. Her energy, enthusiasm, and zest for work is so great and infectious that whoever comes into contact with her is overtaken by the urge to do something innovative and fruitful for the society. Today's webinar is a burning example of this. Besides being an able administrator, an excellent teacher, a dedicated social worker, a hardcore environmentalist, a jealous scientist and botanist, a philanthropist, she is a wonderful human being with literary tastes also, and she has got published many volumes of poetry. What a brilliant student she had been gets reflected from the gold medal and Chancellor's medal won by her at Allahabad University for her research work. On behalf of IQAC, I warmly welcome Ma'am Dr. Archana Mishra to today's event and invite her to formally inaugurate the session by her presidential address. Over to Principal Ma'am.
So it's a matter of great pride that Internal Quality Assurance Cell, IQAC of our college, has taken the initiative to organize one-day online webinar on a very pertinent issue of contemporary times. With the growing technological advancement and ever-increasing creativity and innovations in every field of what is covered under intellectual property right and which right protected. Keeping this in mind, we have organized this webinar to ponder over the issues related to intellectual property rights so that the academicians already engaged in research and the budding researchers may get some insight into their rights over the creations of their minds. I heartily welcome both the panelists, Dr. Rahul Taneja, Scientist, Department of Science and Technology, Panchkula, and Professor Pankaj Sharma, Department of English, CDLU Sirsa, who are with us today to deliberate upon different aspects related to the intellectual property. Dr. Rahul Taneja is expert in IPR and is a very well-known academic. He is very well known in academic circles. And similarly, Professor Pankaj Sharma, he is director IQAC and IQAC CDLU, and is a very versatile personality. He is also very well known in his field. So I am very grateful to both the eminent scholars that they have accepted our invitation And I warmly welcome all the participants who have joined us from different regions of the country to participate in the deliberations. I congratulate Mrs. Vinita Gupta and her team for organizing this event in such a short time. Thank you.
And these motivating words and your blessings. Friends, as academicians, most of us get enrolled in research at one or other stage of our lives. Many of you must have created or developed something innovative or artistic, like books, writings, paintings, musical compositions, some computer program, or other scientific or technological innovation. And these creative works are the things which I understand as intellectual property. Now the questions which bother us are whether our mind and any product of it are our property. If so, how is it different from our physical possessions? Why there was any need of legal rights to protect innovations? What is the nature of these rights and how these protect creativity? Rights and ethics are two binary opposites. So when we are talking of rights, how does ethics create in? These and many more such issues concern any researcher, innovator or intellectual. To seek answer to all these questions and to develop a better understanding of the IPR, this webinar has been organized by our college, and we will try to develop an understanding how IP policies and knowledge are critical to works of universities and public research institutes, and what challenges IP protection offices are facing in rapidly changing technological environment. With great revolution in IT in the form of artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data analytics, etc. All such technical issues will be taken up by our resource person of the first technical session, Dr. Rahul Taneja, who is working as scientist in Department of Science and Technology, Government of Haryana. So Dr. Rahul is with us, and he is working as a scientist in the Department of Science and Technology, Government of Haryana. He holds many professional degrees like PhD in Pharmaceutical Science, MBA, Masters in Intellectual Property Law, and is a master trainer of European Patent Office and World Intellectual Property Organization. He has been a brand ambassador for Bentham Science publication. He facilitates the research scholars, doctors, scientists, and also micro, small and medium enterprises of Haryana and Chandigarh for IP related issues. His portfolio includes dealing with patents, trademarks, designs and copyrights, and has delivered more than 250 lectures on IPR in various state and central universities and many other platforms. 5 times he had broadcasted live on news channels also. A scientist of caliber he is, who owns intellectual property in the form of 4 copyrights, 2 industrial designs and 3 patents. He is a recipient of Significant Contribution in Health Award by AIIMS New Delhi. I once again welcome you, sir, and invite you to deliver your lecture. Now over to Dr. Rahul.